In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make seamless patterns in GIMP, a fantastic free software for image manipulation. Whether you're designing for fabrics, digital backgrounds, or web elements, having a seamless pattern can be incredibly helpful to elevate your creative projects. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the transformative world of GIMP, and with just a few steps, you'll be creating seamless patterns like a pro. To get started, you'll first need to open or create the texture you want to turn into a seamless pattern. If you already have an image in mind, simply fire up GIMP and open that image. If you don't have an existing texture, you can create a new one from scratch using GIMP's various brushes and drawing tools. Having a texture ready is the first essential step as it serves as the canvas for our pattern-making process. Remember, the texture you choose will directly impact the overall look of your pattern. So choose something that aligns with your project vision. With your texture open in GIMP, the next step is to make it seamless. Navigate to the Filters menu on the top of the screen, hover over the Map option, and then select Make Seamless. This magical feature essentially tweaks the edges of your image, ensuring that they blend smoothly when repeated. This feature eliminates any harsh breaks or visible lines that may appear when the image is tiled repeatedly, making it perfect for seamless pattern creation. Once you've applied the Make Seamless filter, it's a good idea to test your pattern to see how it looks when tiled. Head back to the Filters menu, go to Map, and this time choose Tile. This will open a new window where you can specify the dimensions for the tiled pattern display. Here, you'll be able to see how well your seamless effect has transformed the texture and ensure that all the elements align perfectly without any visible seams. Adjust the dimensions based on your needs to have the best perspective and verify the pattern's success. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your pattern tiles, it's time to save or export your design. You can either save it as a GIMP project file if you plan to make further edits later, or export it as a PNG or JPEG file for broader usability across different applications. Head to the File menu and choose Export As to finalize your pattern. Remember to select the format that best suits your requirements. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've created a seamless pattern in GIMP. This skill is not only essential for designers, but also a fun way to play with creativity, giving your projects a unique touch. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore different textures and have fun experimenting with this technique. Thanks for watching, and happy pattern making.